So let's put this to the test. We'll put a little bit of glue in the end here. Find us the bottom bar. Stick that in there. That works good. Let's try putting the glue on the outside of it. Oops. That works nice. Let's try putting some glue on the tops and sides of this. Fits together beautifully. Alright, let's try one of these nails. Where'd they go? Stick that right here in the bottom. Beautiful. Wonderful. Like a pro.
All this to keep the bees happy and smoke flowing.
They hum like monks in a golden shrine, trading sweetness for a wooden line. Their wings write poems in the summer air, and I just watch, I just care. They give their honey, I give a home, a little trade in the combs we've sown. Flowers bloom and seasons flow. It's the bees and me, that's all we know. They sip from petals a quiet prayer, a little promise left hanging there. Next year's nectar in a secret vow. Do they trust me here and now? Smoke whispers soft like a lover's plea. Do they fear or do they see? They give their honey, I give a home, a little trade in the combs we've sown. Flowers bloom and seasons flow. It's the bees and me, that's all we know. A dance of wings, a pact unspoken, no words exchanged, no promise broken. I take the sweet, I guard the hive. Together we keep this bond alive. Wings hum low as the morning wakes, golden fields and the dawn that breaks. I carry the sun on my back today, a little bee on a big ballet. Every petal whispers sweet hello, every breeze says it's time to go. Buzz and bloom, the rhythm of life, from the flower to the hive and bloom. A dance in the air, we're building dreams, we're building care. Nectar trails where the wild things grow, colors splash where the rivers flow. I'll sip the sky, I taste the rain. Every trip I'm home again. Tell the sisters what the clover said. Show the way
go install it.